My name is Alice Shikina of Shikina Mediation and Arbitration. I am a mediator, a negotiation coach, and a client coach. So how can I help you? Well, if you're a litigator and you have clients who need to be prepared for settlement conferences or depositions, I can get them prepared. For settlement conferences, we go over what they can expect, how they should prepare mentally and emotionally, and be ready for that day. If they're going to be deposed, we go over storytelling, how to tell their story in a succinct and clear manner. We practice it over and over again until they feel like they have it and that they are confident in the way that they tell their story. And I make sure that they keep relevant details in and keep irrelevant details out. If you are a lawyer and feel like you would need some help in negotiation, we can do one-on-one coaching. We also do small group coaching. In these small groups, we have approximately 8 people. We practice different negotiation scenarios based on your needs. And then you get to have feedback from your opposing negotiator, as well as the observers and from myself. You learn quite a bit that way, and you will become a much better negotiator when you're practicing for several weeks. So if this is you and you feel like either you or your client could use my services, please feel free to give me a call. Alice Shikina, Shikina Mediation and Arbitration.
Hi, my name is Anna Allec. I am an attorney at Acuña Regli. Our practice focuses on estate planning, trust in estates, inheritance litigation, and conservatorships. We are located in Pleasant Hill and serve the counties of Contra Costa, Alameda, and Solano. I'm a native from Peru, and Spanish is my first language. While in Peru, I was attending law school, but life and its funny ways of working brought me to the Bay Area. I did my undergrad at San Francisco State and got my JD from Golden Gate University. After graduating, I had the opportunity to do a fellowship with a probate judge in Contra Costa County, and that position led me to where I am today. As an immigrant myself, I can understand the challenges that Spanish speakers may face, starting with the language barrier, a different legal system that most, if not all, Latin American countries, in addition to the different values that Latin American families might have. Unfortunately, when people think of immigrants and their legal needs, trust in the states is not a practice that jumps out at you. Generally, legal help for immigrants revolves around immigration and criminal defense, but numerous Latin American families also need help setting up their estate plans, handling a probate for a loved one, or maybe setting up a conservatorship for a disabled child or an elderly family member. And that's where I can help. I've had the pleasure to work with Spanish-speaking families in all aspects of our practice, setting up the family trust, and in some cases, just a will for mom, if that's all she needs. I've been able to help Spanish speakers in conservatorship proceedings, whether it be for an adult whose primary language is Spanish, and in the limited conservatorship context, where our firm may be named court-appointed counsel for a proposed conservatee whose parent's primary language is Spanish. Most recently, I was engaged by a surviving spouse who lives in Mexico. So I'm currently working with her to ensure that she receives her fair share in her deceased husband's estate, despite her being in another country. I've been at Acuña Regli for almost 3 years. As a firm, we value concrete results in a cost-effective manner and with a down-to-earth approach. While litigating may often sound exciting in this context, it might just not be the best alternative when dealing with certain family dynamics. And that's where a realistic approach can benefit, resolving many difficult situations. Acuña Regli is a multi-generational firm, and I am one of 6 attorneys. We strive for continuity for our clients. Please feel free to contact me if you want to chat more about me or our practice before referring any of your clients our way. I'll be happy to answer any questions you may have and would love to help any of your Spanish speaker or English speaking clients with their estate planning, trust estates, and conservatorship needs.
My name is Michel Rene Huff, but folks who know me just call me Huff. I'm the founder of Huff Legal PC, where we are passionate about providing outstanding legal services in a wide variety of practice areas. I graduated with honors from the University of Minnesota Law School. After graduation, I worked for the United States Trial Court for the then Chief Judge, Honorable James M. Rosenbaum. Before becoming a lawyer, I was a patrol supervisor and police officer in Houston, Harris County, Texas. During this time, I learned and gained valuable experience handling critical, high-conflict, and multicultural issues. There's an old saying, never judge a person until you've walked a mile in their shoes. Our clients come from many different walks of life and varied backgrounds. So do we, and we understand. Our number one job is offering every client the utmost legal counsel while taking the time to understand the journey that brought them to our doors. I have walked many paths in this life. I was a police officer and a patrol supervisor before becoming a lawyer, so I understand the law enforcement perspective. Also, as a person of color and a member of the LGBTQI community, I understand these communities and the challenges we face. I built Huff Legal to ensure that all communities have access to competent and zealous legal counsel. With Huff Legal's multidisciplinary practice, we have outstanding experience in personal injury, family law, criminal defense, and complex civil litigation. We are skilled and aggressive negotiators, and we stand up for our clients' rights. We never accept a settlement unless it is everything our clients deserve and they agree with it. Our team comes from all walks of lives, bringing our collective experiences to the table to meet our diverse clients' needs. Collectively, we have over 60 years of legal experience. This includes our Harvard Law School graduate from the class of 1975, and also other members of the firm who have had multi-million-dollar recoveries. At Huff Legal, we are experienced and ready to be of service.